Hi, I'm teacher Sonia. I'm an online English teacher for kids aged 5 to 12, and my lessons are perfect for beginners. I have a clear, friendly accent, and I have a simple, effective way to teach pronunciation, especially tricky sounds like the R sound, so that learners can feel comfortable and confident speaking from the start. In my lessons, we work on reading, vocabulary, listening, speaking through games, stories, pictures, and short activities that keep learners engaged and happy to learn. In my classes, I focus on a clear learning plan so that learners know what they are learning and parents will see steady progress over time. If you are looking for a calm, supportive teacher, don't forget that you can book a lesson with me and I would love to help. Bye.